Are you considering going induction this year? If so, you'll want to keep watching. In this video, we'll be sharing our top induction ranges based on their performance, design, and features. The Wolf brand cracks our list due to their incredible responsiveness, efficient heat transfer, and astonishing speed. They also have a sleek range top featuring a strikingly interactive display. It features a full color touchscreen that's intuitive, easy to read, and has locks for safety and cleaning. It has 5 distinct heating elements with bridging capabilities for larger cookware, a boost function, and independent timers that accommodate a wide range of cookware and temperature settings all at once. The oven features their patented dual vertiflow convection system that provides reliably even heat, reduces hot spots and cold spots, and enables consistent multi-rack cooking. They have a special feature called Gourmet Mode that presents nearly 50 presets that automatically control the oven to ensure delicious results. So whether you're baking, roasting, or anything in between, the step-by-step process it displays for you is incredibly helpful. And you'll be able to control your range from wherever using their convenient owner's app, which remotely you can preheat, adjust temperatures, select modes, and so much more. Wolf induction ranges come in 2 sizes, both in 30 and 36-inch widths with 2 different handle options, which would be either the professional, pictured on the left, or transitional style, pictured on the right. Next, a must mention is the German-based brand of Miele. These range feature an automatic, intuitive, easy-to-use touchscreen lift-out control panel. It will lift out and face you when you turn it on, so it's easy to see, especially when you're standing up. The range features backlit professional-style knobs too, so if you're familiar with a Pro Gas range and their knobs, you'll notice this similarity. The oven door features a comfort swivel handle which allows smooth ergonomic access and has a soft close door on both opening and closing, so you're not going to slam it. There are cooking modes like MasterChef, which pre-guided system that has pre-programmed with 20 modes and over 100 recipes that uses a wireless probe in the oven too when you need it. Miele's induction range also features a steam element called Moisture Plus, where you will get bursts of steam both manually or automatically depending on how you set it up. But you will need a water line behind the range. If you don't need it, then you don't have to set it up. Miele gives you 2 options to choose from in both 30 inches. On the left is the HR 1422, which uses a simple and streamlined direct select control system. And then there's the HR 1622 on the right, which uses the M-Touch display and has the most advanced touch-based user interface for the most intuitive operation and has more cooking options and features. With roots based in New Zealand and sustainability and design in mind, we next have Fisher & Paykel. Their ranges are carefully crafted and perfectly balanced with a soft closed door, durable cooktop surfaces, and a glowing halo dial when the range is in use. The cooking surface and controls are very balanced, letting you sear, stir fry, or simmer a delicate sauce all to perfection. Their ovens use their patented AeroTec system that circulates the hot air evenly throughout the entire oven, so dishes on top of the shelf turn out just as perfect as the food cooking on the bottom shelf. This range features full extension telescopic sliding shelves, a quadruple glazed cool touch door, and a child lock for safety. Available in 30, 36, and their brand new 48-inch wide fully induction range. Speaking of the 48-inch induction range, here it is. It carries some great standout features like their guided cooking system using their touchscreen, which makes it easy to cook food, 6 induction cooking zones with the option to create up to 2 large smart zones, and a whopping 6.9 total oven capacity across both oven cavities. If you're interested, the model number's in the bottom right-hand corner. With Fisher & Paykel, there are also 3 design styles to choose from. There's the Contemporary on the left, which features clean lines and complementary tonal contrasts. There's the Professional in the center, which features those similar distinctive and a more bold aesthetic. And lastly, there's the Classic on the right, which blends old and modern features together. And there's also available in different colors, such as stainless steel, white, black, and red. Our next brand is Ilve, who have been crafting fine Italian cooking appliances for over 50 years. And they're using the most advanced induction technology that's fast, efficient, and with precise temperature control for all your cooking styles. It comes equipped with true European convection ovens that will be delivering even heat distribution for consistent baking and roasting results. You're going to get versatile cooking zones, flexible induction zones that are going to accommodate different size cookware, and it's available in multiple sizes. Options include 30-inch, 36, 40 inches, which is a unique size that not many brands carry, and a 48-inch width to fit any kitchen layout that you may have. One of the biggest things I like to share with anybody who's interested in the Ilve is no matter what style, you can find an Ilve range that fits your aesthetic. Ilve offers a wide range of color options from vibrant reds and blues to classic colors like whites and blacks, with plenty of choices in between. You can also customize the knobs, handles in brass, bronze, and chrome. To better categorize the differences, Ilve has 4 main styles to choose from. I've gone ahead and created a lineup of 4 white glass door 36-inch wide induction range options in the same color and trims so you can see the differences. Each have their own unique flavor and aesthetic, but let me tell you something, that there's a style and look for just about any kitchen design that you can imagine. You can also add Nobly frames to the oven doors and handrails and different legs to fully complete the look that you want. Our next induction range is Thermador, and their combination of cutting-edge technology and flexibility would make them a great choice for any induction enthusiast. In 2024, the Thermador 36-inch Freedom Induction range actually earned the prestigious CES 2024 Innovation Award for its overall engineering and functionality, as well as its features, aesthetics, design, which this award isn't given out to anyone, so this is a big deal. They carry great features in their induction ranges like heat shift, which you'll be able to change power levels by simply moving your cookware without ever adjusting your controls. This is perfect if you're going from a saute to a simmer. You'll get flexible cooking zones, up to 3 extra large cooking zones that lend the utmost versatility, letting you accommodate to large or even those oblong style cookware. There's a move mode as well. You'll be able to take your cooking settings from one zone to the other just by moving the cookware. Perfect when you have multiple creations working at the same time. Telescopic racks, it's going to be a big plus here. You're going to be able to support those heavy dishes with up to 3 telescopic racks that expand completely for safer and easier access. Power boost is going to increase the heating power by up to 50%. So your cookware and what you're cooking is going to be heating up a lot faster. So you'll be able to boil water faster, bring soups and stocks to a boil a lot more quickly. And it's available in both 30 inches, where you'll get 1 telescopic rack, which carries a 4.4 cubic foot oven. And then there's a 36-inch wide option where you'll get those 3 telescopic racks and a 4.9 cubic foot oven. The last induction range we'll cover today also comes from the same parent company of BSH as Thermador, and that's Bosch. Bosch is great because it has a convection multi-rack cooking system, which is really advanced, and it's going to combine the third heating element with a powerful back fan to circulate hot air evenly throughout the oven. This allows for consistent browning and cooking on multiple racks at the same time, making it perfect for baking, roasting, or even preparing large family meals efficiently. It features a sleek glass cooktop designed with a frameless design, edge-to-edge glass surface. This cooktop not only provides a stylish modern look, but it also makes cleaning really easy too. The streamlined design seamlessly integrates into any kitchen, creating that minimalistic aesthetic that is really popular here in 2025. It features a quiet closed door. It's called a quiet closed door that's going to ensure a smooth, gentle closing every single time. This prevents accidental slamming. It's going to prolong the lifespan of your oven, and you're going to avoid a service call if anything does break or loosen. And not to mention, it adds a touch of luxury to everyday cooking. You'll get an integrated temperature probe, so you're going to be able to take the guesswork out of cooking, especially with meats and proteins. Simply just set your desired level of doneness, and the probe monitors the internal temperature, ensuring your roast, steak, or poultry comes out perfectly cooked every time just the way you want it. This is great and ideal for precision cooking and hosting, especially if you're multitasking. Having the probe do the work for you is great. In terms of availability, it comes in the 800 series and their benchmark series with sizes ranging from 30 or 36 inches in either stainless steel for the 30 and 36, and there's a black stainless steel option too in 30 inches.